Do you want to learn to create games in Unity but feel confused by C# scripting? Well, in this course I am going to cover all the basic concepts of C# coding to get you to a beginner level in Unity game design. Now, this course is intended for people who have little to no experience of C# scripting. It is perfect for people who have never scripted before, as we look in detail at each concept of C# scripting. We first cover the theory, and then you get opportunities to try them out. Toward the end of the course, we put these concepts into use by creating a complete beginner level game. We cover concepts such as functions and methods, input events, variable data types, arrays, conditional statements, moving and rotating objects using code, accessing and manipulating components, physics interactions, animations, and scripting for a user interface. These are the most common things you will be doing when making beginner level games. When we have finished the theory, I will be guiding you step by step through the production of a target shooter game so that you will see how these scripting concepts work using real world examples. I guarantee that by the end of this course you will have developed new skills in coding and you will feel confident making your own games up to a beginner level. You will also have created your first Unity game. So if you want to start creating games in Unity, why not enroll today? And I look forward to seeing you in my course.